We're about a week away from heading out to Las Vegas for SHOT Show 2023. Today I want to share with you a few things that I look forward to at that show, so let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Now, real quick, I want to say while we're out there at SHOT Show 2023, not going to be any of the regular content here on the channel, but I will be posting YouTube Shorts, YouTube Community tab posts, and also pictures and reels over on Instagram. So keep an eye out for those. Now, in 2022, we got to play around with the BRG 9 handgun. And BRG USA is supposed to be releasing their BRG 9 Elite Tactical. This is an upgraded model of that BRG 9. They've removed that grip safety. It's going to have a threaded barrel, be optics ready, have some lightning cuts, different grip design, and just a whole lot more. Now, I love me a good 22 long rifle revolver, especially my Smith & Wesson 617. And as far as double action target revolvers go, there's not a whole lot on the market. So really excited to take a look at the Charter Arms Pathfinder target model 22 long rifle revolver. Now, I can't talk a whole lot about this next one, but it is from our friends over at EAA. It is the Witness 2311, a double stack 1911, chambered for 9mm, 10mm, and 45 ACP with a lot of bells and whistles. Stay tuned to the channel because we'll have a lot more on this one once we get out to SHOT Show. Just like revolvers, I love me some lever action, and this next one up comes from Fight Light. It is the Herring Model 2024, a modernized lever action rifle, chambered, of course, in 5.56. I think this does bridge a gap between the old school and the new school, and really interested to see if this really takes hold as a completely 50-state legal rifle. Before we continue, pause the video, jump down in the comments below, and let me know some of the things, firearms, gear, whatever, that you're looking forward to in 2023. For those that may not be aware, our good friend Frank from POF USA passed away back in 2020. And we got some interviews and some podcasts with Frank here on the channel. I highly recommend checking those out. But his last design is the POF USA Tombstone, which is kind of like that Herring lever action rifle. This is also a modernized lever action PCC carbine, chambered in 9mm though. And it's going to be interesting, just like that Herring, to see if this one takes root, if it gets any traction as being 50-state legal. Now, you probably thought you was going to get through a video without me talking about a shotgun. That's not going to happen, because looking forward to laying hands on and taking a look at the new LR94 lever action shotgun from TriStar. Now, this is a lever action shotgun, obviously styled in an old school look and chambered for 410, which there's nothing wrong with that, in my opinion. And so that brings us to one weird duck in the Zinc RZMK 357 Bullpup. You heard me right, Bullpup revolver. And with this thing, I have more questions than I do details or answers. What we do know, it is a double action 6-shot top break 357 Magnum revolver. And how does this thing work? I mean, where does the gases go? Does it seal off the cylinder like the old Nagant revolvers? Well, at SHOT Show, hopefully, we're going to find out. We talk a lot about products when it comes to SHOT Show, but one aspect of being out there at SHOT Show is spending time with companies, whether that's companies that we've already got a relationship with, we're looking to establish a relationship with, or we just want to find out what they do and what they make and how they work. But that is a component we're really looking forward to hanging out with a lot of neat companies out there in Vegas. Now, one of these companies will be exhibiting at SHOT Show for the very first time in 2023. We're talking about Concealed Carry Inc. And you may be familiar with their Concealed Carry podcast, but Concealed Carry Inc. Owns several different brands: Mountain Man, Medical, Ready Up Range Gear, and a few more. We're really looking forward to see what they can pull off at their first year as an exhibitor at SHOT Show 2023. Hey, if you're planning on making the trek out to Vegas for SHOT Show 2023, definitely be sure and let me know. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.